Hey guys, Natty here. It's day 6 of my pantry, freezer, fridge clean out meals. So right now I'm going to be making lunch because we skipped breakfast this morning. We didn't make no breakfast. So we're going to make something right now for lunch. It's going to be with some hash browns that I had from my freezer. And I'm just concocting again because putting things together makes an amazing meal. So I was looking through my freezer and I was like, I don't know what I'm doing today. I really don't. So I put a couple things together and I'm just going to concoct it as I go. So first off, I have a bag of hash browns. So I'm going to use that along with a frozen pack of cheese. I got a couple of these in my freezer. So we'll use that. I'm not too sure what kind of cheese, but it's good cheese. Kabassa. We have some kabassa. Frozen kabassa. Let's cut that up. And all that celery. I'm going to cut some up and put the rest in the fridge. But I'm going to cut some up for this recipe. And we're also going to use up this frozen barbecue rib sauce. So what I did is one day I made some ribs and there was lots of sauce at the bottom of my pan. So I kept it for a future recipe. I froze it and now I'm just going to use it with this. So let's turn this camera around and make some lunch. So I still have quite a bit of food in my freezer, in my pantry, or everything I have on my counter here. And it's got some food in the fridge, but it's going down. It's going down. So today what I'm going to be doing is, like I said, it's going to be a concoction. It's not one of my recipes that I use on a regular basis. This is just something I'm putting together to use up what I have from my fridge and from my freezer. And I don't think I have anything here from my pantry. And I don't, so that's fine. So these right here you could actually keep for soup. So I think I'll keep that stuff for soup. And as for this, I think I'll just keep this. I'll keep some of these. I'll keep half, maybe these for another recipe or for if I want some celery sticks. And I'll put this in my recipe today. So I'm just going to dice that up and we're going to put it aside. And as for the little bits and pieces from the celery, the ends and everything else, I'm just going to keep that for a vegetable stock. Just going to put it in my freezer. And when next time I make a soup, I could use it up. Next up, I'm going to take the casserole dish. And this will be a meal for 2 days. So this will be 2 lunches for 2 days. So I won't have to make lunch tomorrow. Just have to warm it up. I'm just going to use the whole bag and just put it in there. So I'm going to cut up the kabassa from the freezer. And we're going to add that with the celery in the frying pan. Okay, so we're going to warm up the pan. Put some olive oil. Throw in the celery. This is not hot enough yet. And the kabassa. Throw in the celery and the kabassa into the pan. Throw in the celery and the kabassa into the pan. While the kabassa and the celery fry up, let's work on the casserole dish. Okay, so I'm going to put that rib barbecue sauce that I made, right on top. I think I'll put a little bit of water inside of that so I could have a little bit extra sauce. So I put a little bit of water, shake it up a little bit. Kind of cleans out the bag at the same time, right? There we go. There we go. Spread all those juices out. Even little pieces of rib in there. Take the magic spoon and just mix it up. Not very saucy. Didn't have much. I wish I had 2 packets. It would have been a lot better. But I'm using up what I had in my freezer. Yes, I think I'm going to melt a little bit of butter. So I melted the butter in the microwave for 20 seconds. Just a little bit of butter. I think about 3 tablespoons of butter, let's say. I didn't measure it. Just measured it by eye. Leave it. Leave it, Bella. Go lay down, honey. Mama's almost done the video. Okay. So I'm just going to use a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just put it into the butter. Mix it up. Make it like a creamy, cheesy kind of thing. Okay. Now I'm just going to add it to my casserole dish. Now I gotta try this. Oh gosh. That would have been perfect with Frank's hot sauce. Yes, Frank's hot sauce. So then we're gonna mix this up real good. Once again. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Yeah, I think 30 minutes would be great. There we go. Now let's put the good stuff on top. Let's put the good stuff on top. Let's put the good stuff on top. No, baby. Go sit down. Go lay down. Mama's cooking. I'll give you a snack in a minute. It's almost lunchtime soon. Almost lunchtime. Go lay down for now. So then I'm just going to spread it out. I'm not going to mix it up. I'm just going to spread it up on top. So. There. So now for the fromage, the cheese. Hopefully it comes apart because it's frozen. Okay. Maybe we'll have to go like this. Oh, it's really frozen, guys. It's crumbly right now. Okay. Let's do what we can with what we got, right? Yeah, cheese does that when it freezes, eh? It gets crumbly. But that's okay. That's okay. We can still use it. I was going to do slices on top, but... Let's get this crumbly cheese for recipes this week. Could have used a portobello. I still had another pack in the freezer. And nope. I'm going to use this. Okay, so we have a little bit of leftover cheese. I'm going to wrap that up, put that in the fridge. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on top here. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper, sea salt. Okay. And some dried chives. I'd use the ones on my windowsill, but they're not long enough yet. I cut them a couple times already, so they have to grow back. So green chives. Lots. I love my green chives. Just here. And that's it. I'm going to put that in the oven for 40 minutes at 410. So 30 minutes with foil, 10 minutes without. So me and Jay love our eggs. We eat eggs every day, and I incorporated it in one of my recipes. So we ran out of eggs. I went out and bought an 18 pack of eggs. And tonight for supper, it's going to be easy. I'm using the pita bread, and I'm making egg salad sandwiches. Nice and easy. Just boil the eggs and make this egg salad sandwiches. So the eggs are boiled. I peeled them, and they're cooled off. So I'm just going to make the egg salad. So this is very basic. I just use my little fancy dancy thing that Jay bought. Through there. Just like that. So I'm just going to do all 4. That was a weird egg. Look at that. Oh, this is so satisfying, this one. I had another one and broke, and then I was having a hard time using it. So Jay's like, I'm just going to buy another one. And this one is a lot better. A lot better. Lot better. Again, very simple ingredients. I'm just using a little bit of this horseradish I had in the fridge. Just a little bit. Some mayonnaise from the fridge. 2 heaping tablespoons should be good. And a relish packet. I could use my homemade relish, but I'll just use up the packet. Get rid of it. A little bit of salt and pepper. Pepper, where are you? Ooh, lots of salt and pepper. Lots and lots of salt and pepper. Then, then just mix it around. Crush up all those eggs. Blend it nicely. Can't forget, gotta put some of those green chives. Okay, so I have one of the sandwiches made. I put it on the pita bread. So I'm just going to show you how I made it. Really simple. Just scoop it on. Scoop as much as you want. I'm going to do 2 for Jay and 1 for myself. And we'll have some clementine orange beside it. And for dessert tonight, clementine orange to go with it. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. So 2 for Jay for his work lunch. And I'll make myself 1. And that will be my meal for tonight. That's my dinner. Simple, easy, with things I had in the fridge. It's ready. It's ready. Look at this. Look at this beaut. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's get a close-up of this beauty. Let's get a close-up of the beautiful potato pie. Doesn't that look good? Looks fantastic. Looks delicious. Look at that potato goodness. Let's be happy and have lunch. Ooh. I'm so excited to try this potato thing. I don't know what to call it. It's a concoction. So potato pie, potato casserole. It's delicious. That's all I know. It's going to be delicious. So let's cut that up and let's try this potato concoction. It's test time. Jay just got home, so he just got home just in time for the taste test. Jay. Jay. Nom, 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 nom. Here he comes. All right. So this is my casserole, or whatever you call it, my potato concoction that I made today. It's got some kabassa in there. It's got my rib sauce in there, barbecue rib sauce that I made for my ribs, and yeah, some cheese on top. Let's try this stuff.
Need your fork.
Oh, sorry. Here. No, 2 forks.
No, fine. One's good.
Mmm. Mmm. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's got kabassi in there too. Your kabassi that you love.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Mmm. I just got an idea for next time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Make like a potato pizza casserole. Mmm. Like toppings from a pizza on the potatoes. Sorry, honey, you can't have that. No, Bella, I'll give you a treat in a minute. I'll give you a treat in 1 minute.
I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to go sit down and eat this.
Yeah, I'm going to go eat too. Turned out great. Great concoction! Well, day 5 is now done. Done! So that was a great meal this afternoon. I really, really enjoyed that potato casserole, potato pie that I made, that little concoction. It turned out great. I liked it. Jay really enjoyed it too. And dinner, well, standard, you know, egg salad sandwiches. So it was all good. It's all good. It was all good. But anyways, I'll be back tomorrow for day 7. So stay tuned. Come back and watch me again tomorrow, because I'll have some more recipes with my pantry, freezer, fridge, clean out meals. Thanks for watching, guys.